everyone, this is Becky with Scotland Roy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find your closed opportunities in Command. So the first thing we want to do is log into Command, that is agent.kw.com. We'll log in with our KW login credentials, and once we are logged in, we are going to navigate over to the Opportunities applet. Our applets menu is going to be on the left-hand side, and if you hover over each one, it's going to give you a little bubble that tells you what each is. If you want to see the whole menu, you can select the red square with the white KW in it, and it will expand it all so that you can see what each are at a glance. The Opportunities applet is going to be the ones that are two hands, shaking hands. So we're going to navigate over there. We'll let that load. And once it loads, we are going to see our different pipelines. So we'll see our listings, our buyers, and our leases. These are going to be all of, it'll show each opportunity in each stage of that pipeline. And you will see this closed pipeline. This number does reset every month because these pipelines are for the month, what is current, and then your current month. So once your office has processed transmittal, month end to close, you're going to see this reset to 0. So to find your opportunities that you have closed, you're going to go over to the All Opportunities tab. We'll let that load. And once that has loaded, there are a couple different options. So first, we can sort the phase column. So I can click on that, and it's going to sort it. And so we'll see all of the closed opportunities clumped together. We can also filter. So if we click filter, we can scroll down to the pipeline status. I'm going to say closed, and we will say apply. So once we have this, we're going to see all of our closed opportunities. The other option is you can create a smart view for this. So a smart view is just going to allow you to view this exact same view again. So if we have, it's currently sorted, if we want to sort by our opportunity name or the date, something like that, we can do that so it'll be in order, and we can click Create Smart View. So once I click Create Smart View, it's going to allow me to set my Smart View name. So I'm just going to say Closed Opportunities. And we can choose to set it as our default Smart View or not. I'm going to not set it this time. I'm going to say Create. And we have a smart view for this now. So now, if I clear my filter, I'm going to go over here. Let's try loading this again. There we go. So it'll bring us to the All Opportunities Smart View, which is our current default. But if we click this drop-down menu, and we scroll down, we can see closed opportunities. We can also view our closed month to date, but if we click closed opportunities, it's going to bring us right back to that exact same layout we had. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, support@scotlandroymarketing.com. We hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.